Hi guys, this is Nicole. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare Harusame salad, a very easy and healthy Japanese salad made out of cellophane noodles or glass noodles. So please stay with me to see the ingredients and the way to prepare it. So let's get started. Harusame is the Japanese name for cellophane noodles or glass noodles. Besides glass noodle, Harusame salad uses other three main ingredients. Julienne cucumbers. I have one cucumber here, julienne carrot, and ham. But also there is variation. Today I'm going to use kinshi tamago or golden threads. It's like an omelette, thin omelette, or like a crepe made out of eggs, which you shred finely. This is optional. You can replace it with ham, or you can use both, or you can skip both. Some wakame, dried wakame I have here, raw wakame, but also I'm going to soak them in water because they are very salty. First of all, we are going to cook the noodle. My package says to boil them for 3-4 minutes or to soak them in hot boiling water for 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm going to boil it for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna put them in a pot with boiling water. Meanwhile, I'm going to soak the seaweed, wakame seaweed. And I'm going to place the julienne cucumber and the carrot in a strainer and let it sit for 5 minutes. I'm gonna put it aside. The noodles are boiling nicely. The time is up, so I'm going to drain the noodles. I drained the noodles and now I'm going to drain the seaweed. Wash it briefly. And then I'm gonna cut it. Squeeze the water very well because we don't want to dilute the dressing. When you drain the noodles, one of the most important steps is also to wash them with cold water. I forgot to mention it before. So I washed the noodles, I drained them very well, and I cut them in shorter strips. Now I am going to squeeze the carrot and cucumber. I'm going to squeeze the water out of it and then also rinse them briefly. And now place everything on the top of the noodles. Also the shredded egg omelette. The wakame seaweed. And the toasted sesame seeds. Now it's time to prepare the dressing. So I'm going to combine all the wet ingredients. 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons and half of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of neutral flavored oil, a pinch of salt and black pepper. And now I'm gonna mix all this. Pour it on the top of the salad and toss everything together. Now I'm going to pour the dressing on the top of the noodles and the other ingredients, and I'm going to toss everything together very well. And that's it. Harusame salad, it's ready, but it needs to be chilled for at least 30 minutes before serving. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll give this very easy recipe a try. Bye!